Ukukhuluma nawe ngithi the season that you are going through at the moment, it is not your final destination. Isizini yempilo engeyinhle odlula kuyona manje, you need to understand ukuthi it is not your final destination. Abantu abaningi mabedlula kwi-season of rejection, mabedlula kwi-season of pain, mabedlula kwi-season of hardship, mabedlula kwi-season of pain, bavele beyitshele ukuthi it is their final destination. But I've come to tell you, what you are going through, it is not the end of your life. It is just a band that you are going through, but it is not the end. Yebo kubuhlungu, yebo kunzima, yebo kunzima nokukwamukela, but I've come to remind you ukuthi the season that you are going through, the season of pain, the season of suffering that you are going through, it is not your final destination. Kukhona okungcono uNkulunkulu akasekubekele khona. Baningi abantu that went through seasons of pain, kodwa they understood ukuthi I might be going through pain namhlanje, but it is not the final destination. uJosepha went through rejection, uJosepha went through betrayal, but he understood ukuthi noma ngabetraywa abafowethu igazi lami, but it is not my final destination. Yebo bamdayisa bamfaka emgodini, bamdayisa kwabathile, but he knew deep in his heart ukuthi noma ngadayiswa, noma ngathola rejection, noma ngathola betrayal, but that betrayal is not my final destination. Angazoba nasebegilile, angazoba labakwenze wadlula osizini njengamanje, but you need to know that's not your final destination. You are not destined for that pain. You are not destined for that misery. Kukhona into engcono uNkulunkulu akakuhlelele yona, ngakho ngeke uzufele lapho. That is why when David writes in the book of Psalms 23, uthi even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. He understands ukuthi passing through the valley of the shadow of death is not the final destination. It is just a process ezodlula. Now when you go through that valley of the shadow of death, you need to understand ukuthi it's not your final destination. Aksiyona indawo yakho yokugcina. There is something better, there is something more, there is something amazing that God has installed for you. Be reminded this morning ukuthi the pain that you might be feeling, it's not your final destination, it's not the end. Kukhona into engcono uNkulunkulu akayihlelayo, uNkulunkulu akayilungisayo. Okwakho, get your heart in order, get yourself in order to receive what the Lord is preparing for you. Kodwa yazi ukuthi labantu abakushayayo, labantu abakuvalela iminyango, nezimo ezikwehlele nobuhlungu obuzwile, that's not your final destination. Something better is coming. Obhalayo uthi weeping may last only for a night, but joy is coming in the morning. Ukujabula kuyeza ekseni, ngakho ungayitshela ukuthi sekuphelile ngawe, akapheli ngawe. Khona okungcono uNkulunkulu akakwenzayo. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.